Well, I finally had a idea of something I can use this CNC machine I built for. Looks like it's going to be pretty useful for the suspension build on my car. After all, let me get into showing you how. That was just kind of a test. See, I can change the geometry of these, make sure the Panhard bar is going to be in the right spot with this. I've even cut a slot here so I could put a hose clamp around this, around the axle. That way it'll hold this on tight. I can slide my rod end down here, make sure it's centered up. Then, whenever it works out like I want it to, I can, which it looks like it's going to be closer to about right here. Cut all this off and redo it. But once I get it ready, then I can offset everything by a 1/2 inch in my CAD, cut out another one, and then use a plasma cutter and use the wood as a template to cut out a quick, nice Panhard bar bracket.